Fall Tech is amazing. I would tell anybody in this field, this is the place to send the owners and their technicians to get some of the latest and greatest techniques that are being utilized in the field.
I'm just surprised by how much people know and how much experience there is here. Everyone here seems to have all these crazy stories and all of these just tips and tricks for you could ask anyone any question and someone knows, what the answer is.
My favorite part was the hand-on experience. That's the way I learned. It's great. I'm gonna take that back with me to Florida and really implement it. My NADCA certification has made a big difference in my career.